Color therapy, also known as chromotherapy, is an alternative form of therapy that involves the use of different colors to promote healing and balance within the body. There are 7 colors in the therapy of 7 colors, which are believed to have specific healing properties and associations. These colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Red. Red is associated with energy, strength, and vitality. It is believed to stimulate the adrenal glands, increase circulation, and promote physical activity. Red is also associated with passion, courage, and confidence. Red light therapy has been used to promote wound healing, reduce inflammation, and relieve pain. Orange. Orange is associated with joy, creativity, and enthusiasm. It is believed to stimulate the immune system, promote digestion, and increase energy levels. Orange is also associated with warmth, happiness, and friendship. Orange light therapy has been used to relieve depression and improve mood. Yellow. Yellow is associated with mental clarity, concentration, and intelligence. It is believed to stimulate the nervous system, promote digestion, and increase energy levels. Yellow is also associated with happiness, optimism, and confidence. Yellow light therapy has been used to relieve anxiety and improve mental focus. Green. Green is associated with balance, harmony, and stability. It is believed to promote emotional and physical balance, reduce stress, and increase relaxation. Green is also associated with growth, renewal, and prosperity. Green light therapy has been used to relieve stress, improve sleep, and promote healing. Blue. Blue is associated with calmness, tranquility, and relaxation. It is believed to promote rest and sleep, reduce stress and anxiety, and promote physical and emotional healing. Blue is also associated with communication, trust, and loyalty. Blue light therapy has been used to improve sleep, reduce inflammation, and promote wound healing. Indigo. Indigo is associated with intuition, perception, and spiritual awareness. It is believed to stimulate the third eye chakra, enhance mental clarity, and promote spiritual growth. Indigo is also associated with wisdom, insight, and inner peace. Indigo light therapy has been used to promote relaxation, improve mental focus, and enhance intuition. Violet. Violet is associated with spirituality, wisdom, and creativity. It is believed to stimulate the crown chakra, enhance creativity, and promote spiritual growth. Violet is also associated with luxury, royalty, and elegance. Violet light therapy has been used to relieve stress, promote relaxation, and enhance creativity. In conclusion, the therapy of 7 colors is an alternative form of therapy that uses different colors to promote healing and balance within the body. The 7 colors are associated with specific healing properties and associations and are believed to stimulate various organs and systems in the body. Although the effectiveness of color therapy is not well established by scientific evidence, it remains a popular holistic approach to health and wellness. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and press to the bell button icon for latest updates. Keep visiting the channel and also share with friends and family.